Good day everyone! Ngayon himay-himayin naman natin ang Objective 4 COI for Proficient Teacher. Okay, dito naman tayo sa Objective number 4. Use a range of teaching strategies that enhance the learner achievement in literacy and numeracy skills. PPST 1.4.2. Okay, what do we mean by literacy? This refers to the capability one acquires in order to read, understand, and construct textual materials. Numeracy, this refers to the ability to understand and use mathematical knowledge for calculating, problem solving, and interpreting information in order to arrive at educational and well-informed decisions. Numeracy is an important skill for learners to master to help them prepare for life beyond the school and within the workplace and greater community. Another concept, teaching strategies, of course, this refers to techniques, practices, approaches, and systems teachers employ in their classroom practice to advance student learning. And of course, another concept, learner achievement. This refers to the realization by a learner of academic material or content knowledge within a given period. Okay, balikan natin uli yung basic concept. So, kapag sinabing literacy, hindi lang naman ito pagtuturo o pagkatuto ng pagbasa at pagsulat. Ganon din naman kapag sinabing numeracy, it is more than counting numbers. So, both skills are at an interplay in the holistic performance of our learners. Binanggit ito sa PPST module. And as a teachers of literacy and numeracy across the curriculum, we should provide our learners a wide range of different contexts in which they can use the skills. Remember, we all have this responsibility to promote the skills in our classroom. In all levels and in our curriculum areas, we should explore the possibilities of extending and complementing numeracy and literacy. Remember, generally, as we are all teachers of literacy, we should adapt a variety of strategies in teaching literacy. Literacy across curriculum area, dapat tandaan, literacy instruction is embedded in all learning areas. Kung math, history, science, or art teacher ka man, saan ba nag-fit yung literacy sa ating classroom instruction? There are endless number of engaging and even effective strategies so that we could get our learners to think about, write about, read about, and talk about the content na itinuturo natin. Kung binabalikan lang natin yung module ng PPST, sinabi din doon that the ultimate goal of literacy instruction is to build a learner's comprehension, writing skills, and overall skills in communication. So how will we integrate that in our teaching? Baka naman straight lecture lang or teacher talk ang ginagawa ni teacher sa classroom. Wag ganon. Do you let your students to discover information on their own? Paano mo gagawing interesting sa mga bata ang pagtuturo mo ng new words or new vocabulary? How will you make it more interesting and relevant to the learners, to the level of the learners, to the need of the learners? Halimbawa, sa iba't ibang uri ng teksto sa Filipino, pagtuturo ng Pilipino, maaari tayong magpadala ng mga newspaper clips. Let us tell our students, papiliin natin sila ng artikulo na interesado sila sa mga newspapers, magazines, and then gumawa sila ng notes about doon sa nabasa nila na yon. And then sa group task, let them share their understanding about those sa nabasa nilang article. At sabi pa sa PPST module, sinabi nga dito that to strengthen numeracy, you should create a rich and supportive learning environment that of course will support a skillful mix of a variety of approaches. So napakarami daw approaches: active learning and planned purposeful play, develop a problem-solving capabilities, developing mental agility, use of relevant context and experiences familiar to learners and young people, etc., using technology in appropriate and effective ways, building on the principles of assessment is for learning, including understanding the purpose and relevance of the activities. At syempre si teacher ang unang-unang dapat nagpo-promote ng interest and enthusiasm for numeracy, for literacy. At dapat makita ito sa classroom observation. Do you imagine your learners learning new vocabularies, new words, na engage sila? So, maraming activities ang pwedeng buuin, iplano, at i-create ng teacher. But they should all be based on authentic and real-life situations from the learner's own context. Issues that learners identify with topics that they are interested in, as well of course as problems they normally encounter in their everyday lives, can be sources of lessons and activities. Thank you for listening. Samahan niyo akong muli sa paghimay natin sa natitira pang mga objectives para sa susunod nating video. Padayon!